Welcome to our channel where we explore the wonders of the natural world. And today we venture into a realm shaped by human hands, a world of unimaginable wealth and power. We're diving into the opulent world of history's richest monarchs, those who ruled with absolute authority and commanded resources that beggar belief. From the heart of Europe to the sun-drenched landscapes of the Middle East, we'll explore their grandiose palaces, castles and estates. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer scale and magnificence of these architectural marvels, each one a testament to the ambition and extravagance of the rulers who built them. Our journey begins in the heart of France at the Palace of Versailles. This sprawling complex of buildings, gardens and fountains was once the seat of French power, a glittering symbol of the absolute monarchy. It was here that Louis XIV, the Sun King, held court surrounded by thousands of courtiers, all vying for his favor. Picture, if you will, the Hall of Mirrors, its walls adorned with over 350 mirrors, reflecting the light of hundreds of candles, creating an illusion of boundless space and dazzling brilliance. Every detail, from the intricate gilded carvings to the meticulously manicured gardens, speaks of opulence and grandeur. It's a testament to the vision of a king who sought to awe and intimidate his rivals while indulging in a life of unparalleled luxury. From the grandeur of Versailles, we travel to the Bavarian Alps, where a castle seems to rise organically from the very rock face. Neuschwanstein, commissioned by the enigmatic King Ludwig II of Bavaria, is a testament to the power of imagination. Inspired by the operas of Richard Wagner and the romantic ideals of medieval chivalry, Ludwig created a fantasy world in stone and glass. The castle's soaring towers and turrets, its elaborate frescoes and opulent interiors, seem to belong more to a fairy tale than to the real world. Step inside and you'll find yourself transported to a realm of myth and legend, where every room tells a story and every detail is a work of art. It's a poignant reminder that even in the midst of immense wealth and power, the human spirit yearns for beauty, for escape, for a touch of magic. Our journey takes us now across the Atlantic to the rugged coast of California, where media mogul William Randolph Hearst built his own extraordinary palace. Hearst Castle, perched atop a hill overlooking the Pacific Ocean, is a testament to American ambition and extravagance. Built over a period of nearly 3 decades, the castle is a sprawling complex of buildings, gardens and terraces, filled with an eclectic collection of art and antiquities from around the world. Imagine yourself strolling through the assembly room, its vaulted ceilings adorned with 16th century Spanish choir stalls, or taking a dip in the Neptune pool, an outdoor swimming pool of Romanesque grandeur. Hearst Castle is a testament to the power of wealth and ambition to create a world of its own, a place where dreams could be built in stone and marble, and where the impossible seemed within reach. Chapter 4, Buckingham Palace, the enduring symbol. From the sun-drenched coast of California, we journey back across the Atlantic to the heart of London, home to Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch. This iconic building, with its imposing facade and familiar balcony, has borne witness to centuries of history, from royal weddings and state visits to times of national celebration and mourning. Step inside and you'll find yourself in a world of tradition and ceremony, where every detail, from the changing of the guard to the state banquets held in the opulent ballroom, speaks of the enduring legacy of the British monarchy. Yet beneath the grandeur and formality, Buckingham Palace is also a family home, a place where generations of royals have lived, loved and made their mark on history. Chapter 5, Mysore Palace, the Jewel of Karnataka. Our exploration of royal opulence takes us now to the Indian subcontinent, to the city of Mysore, home to the magnificent Mysore Palace. This dazzling palace, with its intricate carvings, vibrant colors and soaring domes, is a testament to the rich artistic traditions of southern India. Imagine yourself entering the Durbar Hall, its floor adorned with intricate mosaic work, its walls shimmering with gold leaf and ivory. Picture the Kalyana Mandapa, the marriage hall, its ceiling a riot of color and detail, its pillars adorned with sculptures of gods and goddesses. Mysore Palace is more than just a building. It's a living testament to the enduring legacy of Indian craftsmanship and artistry. Chapter 6, Topkapi Palace, the Sultan's domain. Our final destination takes us to the shores of the Bosporus Strait, to Istanbul, Turkey, once the capital of the mighty Ottoman Empire. Here, overlooking the city, stands Topkapi Palace, for centuries the primary residence of the Ottoman sultans. Step through its imperial gate and you enter a world of intrigue and grandeur, a place of harems and courtyards, of fountains and gardens. Imagine yourself walking through the harem, the private quarters of the Sultan and his family, its walls adorned with intricate tilework and stained glass. Picture the treasury, filled with dazzling jewels and precious artifacts, a testament to the wealth and power of the Ottoman Empire. Topkapi Palace stands as a testament to a lost world, a reminder of the power and the artistry of one of history's most enduring empires. From the grandeur of Versailles to the exotic allure of Topkapi Palace, we've journeyed through time and across continents, exploring the opulent world of history's richest monarchs. These palaces, castles and estates stand as enduring symbols of their power and ambition, but they also offer us a glimpse into the artistic and cultural achievements of their times. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of wealth and power. Join us next time as we delve into another captivating chapter of our shared human story.